outreach right now, and I'm in the classroom. I'm in classroom, and later we are going in the van to go to Iwahi, and we're in what's this called? We're in Puerto Princesa right now.
Have you been to Crocodile Farm before?
Huh?
Have you been to Crocodile Farm before?
Huh?
Have you been to Crocodile Farm before?
Yes. Have you been?
Yes.
Oh my God. That's
Wait lang, I think of something.
What did she say?
about my teachers. Oh my God, why is there an ad? Didn't you patay your data?
No, I did not.
So I do not know what to talk about. Wow! Wow! Can I try? Aww. You're sitting and I want to try it. Aww. She has roller skates on. Show him. So smooth.
You have 20 subscribers.
I know. Guys, this is my number. 14, not 41, okay? It's 14. I'll try. Later outreach, give me it. Yeah, convince her I wanna try. You 14. Convince her I wanna try. Say to her that you want to try and give it to me. This kind of sucks though. She's not even using it. I will talk to you. Oh no, my teddy bear.
No, I'm eating. Let me play DTI on your phone. With your phone. I'm not getting disqualified even though you're ready.
You didn't saw that, right? I think she saw it. Converse or fake ones. A little bit. Huh? Ha! Sucks to be you. Oh my God, that's so cringe. Hello. Atina gave that to me. Why are you here?
What?
What? He doesn't even know how to do it. No,
What?
I'm gonna censor that.
I was just flopping her butt upside down.
Don't show the headband part.
Hello
Hello guys, my name is Ratatouille. Today, I will be showing you how to cook.
Let him cook.
Yeah.
Bear, tas meow-meow yung sagot. Alamit yun, tinapon niya si meow-meow.
Meow gave me a lot of
Meow
Pringles.
meow are
Gawad niya.
I'm vlogging and she's vlogging too. unfortunately, the van, I mean, unfortunately, we are going to Iwahig in 8:30. But it's 8:32 right now and we still are not going to Iwahig. And we're literally complete. Except for this row. Partner ko.
Alam, bakit tingin
Partner ko,
niya choking?
Hindi niya yan, donation. Yan yung ano niya.
Lunch na pala yan. Donation na yan, look. Hindi mo tao, basta ba?
Gablag ako, bro. Magkasukaw. Bleh.
Bombastic side eye. Criminal offense.
Wala pa nga eh. Dito nga ako sa harap.
Bawal sa teachers yan.
Ingay nga.
Do you feel like a K-pop idol? Guys, na-kidnap kami na. Joke lang. Guys, we arrived. We're in Iwahig.
Iwahig ba to?
Iba, yung partner ko nandun sa passenger seat dun sa ano.
Crispy.
Wow.
Kasi mo tawag ko.
Tsaka iba yung katabi ko ngayon.
Si Cody.
Look, it's my teddy bear. This my things. This and this tumbler and this.
Look at my friend. He's black.
That's yellow.
Oh. Hindi ito black.
Oh, really wow. Wow! It reminds me of Glue Song by Biba Doobie. I've never known someone.
Ano friend?
So,